Ayan guys, no, na-receive na natin yung withdraw natin na 500. So for 160 guys, no, yung na-receive natin. Kasi meron po siyang tax na 8%. So first step guys ay mag-register lang po tayo. So input lang po natin dito guys na yung ating number, yung ating password, then i-click lang po natin yung send verification at automatic na po yan ma-input dito. So click natin yung register. Yan, so ito po yung kanilang application guys na itong Stanbic IBTC. So kung saan na pwede po tayong mag-invest guys. So unahin na po natin ito guys na yung daily invite rewards nila. So yung first level guys na commission natin is 35%. So example guys na mag-invest ng 100 pesos ang ating na-invite. Then meron po tayong 35% guys na commission. Yan, pag yung second level naman is 4%, then third level is 1%. Ito po yung ating invitation link guys. Yan, so sa nakita nyo guys na meron tayong withdrawal amount na 500. So nag-deposit po tayo. So dito po tayo mag-invest guys na. Click natin yung invest. So merong fixed fund, welfare fund at activity fund. So fixed income fund 1 is 150. Yung minimum dito sa fixed fund guys no is 150 pesos. Yung pwede nating i-invest. So yung revenue days guys no is 30 days. Yung daily income natin is 60 pesos. Total income is 1,800. Ayan, then yung fixed income fund 2 naman is 500 pesos. Then revenue days is 31 month rin. Then daily income is 210 pesos din no. So bago po kayo mag-invest dito guys no, isipin niyo po mabuti na kung ito po ay legit or hindi. So hindi po natin masasabi guys no kung tatagal po ito yung kanilang application. Pero pwede po kayo mag-try guys no na mag-invest dito sa 150. Yan. So total income is 180 days no after 30 days. So pwede iwan ko lang guys kung makapag-withdraw tayo dito kahit hindi pa natapos yung revenue days na nito. So mag-update lang po ako guys no kung makakapag-withdraw ako. Ayan. So hanggang 50,000 guys na yung pwede nating invest. So welfare fund guys no. Ayan. 150 din yung minimum din. Ito guys na medyo mas maganda dito kasi 3 days lang. So yung price niya is 150 pesos guys. So yung total income natin is 360. So daily income is 120 pesos. So medyo malaki yung kitaan guys no. Ayan, welfare fund special 300 pesos yung price. Revenue days is 60 days. Daily income is 12.51. Yan, so matagal po itong 60 days kasi 2 months po yan. So dito lang po tayo pwede makapag-withdraw guys no ng short days lang. Ayan, 3 days. So malaki rin yung ating income guys no. Parang magdoble siya ayan, so yung ating profit dito is after 3 days is 210. Ayan, so 210 yung ating profit dito after 3 days. So dito meron ding 3 days dito guys no. Ayan, 750 pesos guys. So yung after 3 days guys no, yung ating 750 pesos is magiging 1,350. Ayan. So dito rin sa welfare fund 3, yung 2,000 natin is magiging 3,900 after 3 days. So welfare fund 4 guys no, yung 4,000 natin is magiging 9,600 after 3 days po yan. Yun, so medyo maganda dito sa welfare fund guys no kasi mas maraming short days dito, short days yung revenue days. And dito naman is 45 days, 33 days, 51 days, 60 days. Ayan, kung magkapag-invest po kayo dito guys na is i-click nyo lang yung my order. So dito po natin makikita guys na yung ating product na in-invest. Ayan, ito naman yung mga nag-share sa kanilang first withdrawal. Ayan. Ayan, makita nyo dito. pwede din po kayong mag-follow guys no, sa Telegram group nila. So, i-follow now. I-click lang po itong follow. So, ito po guys no, mag-join lang po kayo dito guys para meron po kayong mga updates. Ayan. Yan, pwede rin po tayong magkuha guys no, ng bonus na 1,000 ay na 1 pesos to 1,000 pag mag-share po tayo guys no dito sa Imboard. Yan, mag-publish lang po tayo guys no. Yung screenshot natin katulad nito i-share natin. Then makakuha po tayo ng bonus ng 1 pesos to hanggang 1,000 pesos guys. Ayan. So, ayan, maya guys mag-withdraw tayo at mag-publish tayo dito at tignan natin kung magkano yung bonus na makukuha. So, pag meron din po kayong mga problem guys no, na-encounter, ay mag-message lang po ah, sa kanilang customer service guys no, sa WhatsApp. So, dito po kayo sa help center guys no, mag-message. Ayan, sa Telegram or sa WhatsApp. Ayan, yan po yung customer service nila. So, try na po natin i-withdraw guys no, at pagkatapos natin i-withdraw ay i-share natin yung ating screenshot para makakuha tayo ng bonus. So, withdraw natin yung 500 pesos. So, i-click natin yung withdrawal. Yan, naka Thailand. X na lang natin yan. Then, withdrawal amount is 500. Trade password is, sheet muna natin yung ating trade password guys. Or, itong bank card natin. Or trade password. Ito, trade password guys. I-click natin yung trade password. Yan. Set muna natin yung trade password natin. So, meron tayong trade password guys. I-set muna natin yung bank card natin. GCash card holder number is card number is ayan, na-save na po natin yung ating GCash wallet. So, withdrawal password. Ayan. So, mag-withdraw na po tayo no, guys, 500. Withdraw natin yung 500. 500 is password natin, guys. Ayan, just bank card is GCash. Ayan. Ayan, then so yung minimum withdrawal guys no at minimum deposit is 150 pesos lang. So mayroong withdrawal tax rate no na 8%. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung ating ma-receive. So apply withdrawal. Ayan. So application for so hintayin lang natin guys no na ma-receive natin sa ating GCash, then i-share po natin guys no sa dito sa Imboard para makakuha tayo ng bonus. Ayan guys no, na-receive na natin yung withdraw natin na 500. So for 160 guys no yung na-receive natin kasi meron po siyang tax na 8%. I-share na po natin guys no yung screenshot yung ating so i-share na po natin guys no yung ating screenshot para makakuha tayo ng bonus. Ayan, dito tayo sa import, then publish. Ayan, dito natin i-share guys. My first withdrawal. Super legit application. Super legit investment. Investment site. Na-upload natin dito guys na yung ating screenshot. So, sana malaki yung makukuha natin na bonus. Yan, andito na. Dagdagan pa natin ng isa guys. Ayan, dalawa. So, publish natin. Ayan. Tignan natin guys, no? Maraming 6 pesos guys na yung bonus na na-receive nila. So, sana mas malaki yung sa atin. Ayan. So, tignan natin guys, no, kung magkano yung ating ma-receive. Need pa yata ng approve guys. Need pa ng approval. So, hintayin lang po natin guys, no, ma-approve yung ating shinare na picture. Yan guys, ito na po yung ating shinare guys, no, na screenshot. Yan. So, meron tayong 5 pesos guys na na-receive. Yan, dito natin makikita guys, no, sa ating task reward or sa withdrawal. So, ito din po pala yung VIP level guys, no. Yan, so VIP 0 is yan with a total investment of 0. Yan. So, VIP 1 is with a total investment of 150 pesos. So, pag maka-invest po tayo guys, no, ng halagang 150 pesos, ay VIP 1 po tayo. At pag maka-invest po tayo guys, no, ng total of 2,500 is VIP 2. Pag VIP 3 naman is dapat yung total investment natin is 10,000 pesos. So, hanggang VIP 8 po yan guys, no, na may halagang 1 million pesos. Yan, so yan lang muna guys. So, salamat sa mga nanonood. So, hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe dyan, ay huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos na i-upload. Thanks!